In this video, you'll learn how to use Kumo as a Snowflake native app to predict the top 10 purchases your customers are most likely to buy. Once you've logged into the Kumo native app, click on Connectors, followed by Configure Connector. In the Snowflake Connector modal window, provide a name for your connector, followed by your account identifier, database, warehouse, schema, and your username and password. Click the Done button and you should see your new Snowflake connector appear on the Connectors page. Next, click on Tables followed by Connect Table on the top right-hand corner. On the Add Table modal window, make sure the connector you created previously is selected, and click the Source Table dropdown. You'll perform the next set of steps 5 times, once for each of these tables, starting with the Customer's Mini table. Select the table from the dropdown, and Kumo will start pre-processing the table columns. Set the C Customer SK column as the primary key, and click the Save button. You're now ready to move on to the next step, creating your graph. Click on Create Graph on the top right-hand corner. On the Graph Setup page, give your graph a name and check the 5 tables you created previously. Click on the Next button. On the Set Links Between Tables page, create the table linkages as follows. The Website SK column should link to the WS Website SK column. The Item SK column should link to the WS Item SK column. The CD Demo SK column should link to the C Current C Demo SK column. And the C Customers SK column should link to the WS Bill Customers SK column. If everything looks okay, click on the Complete Graph Creation button to finish creating your graph. Next, click on the Write Predictive Query button to start creating your predictive queries. We're going to create a predictive query to predict the top 10 items your customers are most likely to purchase. Provide a name for your predictive query and select the graph you created previously. Insert the following PQL statement. Predict List Distinct Web Sales Mini WS Item SK 030 rank top 10 for each Customers Mini.C Customers SK. Or predict the top 10 items each of my customers is most likely to purchase in the next 30 days. Click Next to review your model plan settings and click Save and Train to start training your predictive query. Again, once it's done, you can view various evaluation metrics to gauge your model's accuracy. This time, let's go ahead and take a look at the holdout predictions from within Snowflake. You'll need to copy this command under the Evaluation tab and paste it into a Python worksheet in your Snowflake account's Snowdrift interface like this. Click the Run button to read the predictions into a data frame and display it in the results pane. If everything looks okay, you'll want to productionize your model using a batch prediction workflow. This will allow you to kick off your batch prediction jobs at regular intervals on unseen data.